Hi, I am Jennifer Latch, and this is
Ella Latch.
Yes, and I was challenged by Lizzie Bermudez, and Ella was challenged by
Addie Penta
to take part in the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Now, we are, of course, going to donate money, but for just the fun of it and to further the cause, we will be getting an ice bucket dumped on our head by Chloe Latch.
Don't do it yet.
What do we have to do first?
We're channeling 4 people. Joy Latch.
Joy Duza.
Joy Duza, whatever her name is. Zach.
Uncle Zach.
Uncle Zach.
Uncle James.
Uncle James. And Christy Latch and maybe Brookie Latch.
Okay, so that's who we're challenging, and here we go.
Wait, not yet. And we are I'm really nervous. I know it's gonna be freezing cold.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, it's gonna really be bad.
Ready?
Okay, go.